why you shouldn't join Hyperloop Online System. Hi everyone, this is Gretel, your financial coach, and today, bago ako mag-swimming, bibigyan ko po kayo ng oras to explain ano ba yung mga rason kung bakit hindi kayo dapat sumali sa Hyperloop Online System. In this way, you will prevent wasting your time. Kasi alam mo ba, wasting time is also wasting money. Number 1, huwag ka pong sumali if you have small time mindset. This opportunity is very big time, turning ordinary people into extraordinary millionaires. O diba, big time po siya. And this is a system that you can use worldwide for international and local clients. Kahit sino ka man, pwede kang matulungan ng opportunity na ito. Bata, matanda, may ngipin o wala, professional man or hindi. And this is under 17-year-old multi-nation company. Present in 50 different countries, producing 16,000 millionaires at isa na po ako doon. Here in the Philippines, we have 110 business centers and 11 branches. With HOS, you can access our unlimited trainings and you can have your personal lifetime mentor. Eh, hindi po ito pwede sa inyo na small time lang ang mindset kasi meron po tayong mga trainings dito at tuturuan po kayo paano ma-improve po yung sarili ninyo. Number 2, if you don't have decision to change, mahirap yun kapatid. Of course, change for the better. If you notice, ilang years ka na sa mundong ibabaw, the same lang yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. Maybe dahil wala kang ginagawang bago. Third reason at very common if you have trust issues. Kapatid, alam ko mahirap magtiwala po sa panahon ngayon. Pero ako po, bilang isang nurse, 3 years na po dito sa Hyperloop Online System, proven and tested. Hindi ko po ipagpapalit yung reputasyon ko kung hindi po ito legit. We have SEC registrations and awards sa company. So if you want to know or gusto mong malaman, makita yung SEC registration natin, you can message me or mag-comment ka dito. So hopefully nakatulong itong short video ko para mag-decide ka if para ka talaga sa Hyperloop Online System or hindi. Ang masasabi ko lang, as financial coach, hindi ko po kailangan ng magaling, ang kailangan ko po ay trainable. God bless everyone and happy earning!